Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this makeup look. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright ladies, so first I'm starting off by priming my face using Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer, and I'm applying this all over my face. For my eyes, I'm going to be using Urban Decay's new Backtalk Palette. This is what the palette looked like and the colors it comes with. So the first color I'm taking is called Attitude, and it's like this pink color. So I'm going to apply this all over my lid, but mostly towards the outer end and also bringing it down to the bottom lid. I'm going to blend that color out a little bit just to create like a smooth transition with the next color that I'm going to be adding, which is What the F or WTF. And I'm going to apply this to my crease and smoothing it. I'm going to blend it in and kind of bring it a little bit upwards. I'm going to take some more of that brown WTF color and apply it to my other eye. Next, I'm taking the color 3 Sheets, which is like this white, off-white color, and I'm going to apply it underneath my eyebrow on the brow bone. And then going back with a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend those colors together. Next, I'm taking NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm applying it to my tear duct and blending it with my finger. Now I'm going in with that darker brown color called 180, and I'm applying that to the very end outer corner of my eye and also bringing it down towards the bottom lid. After that, I go back in with the color Attitude to make that color pop more. And again, I'm taking a clean blending brush and blending those colors together. For eyeliner, I'm using this Essence Eyeliner Pen to do like a nice wing. I like a nice wing at the end, and then I'm going over my beauty mark there to make it pop. And then I line my other eye. So now I'm going in with Maybelline's Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and I'm applying that to my eyelashes to get them ready for eyelashes. These are Ardell's Demi Wispies, so I'm just going to put these on. After applying the lashes, I use the mascara to blend the real lashes and the fake lashes. Now I'm taking this Eyebrow Stylist pencil by Catrice in the color 030, which is like a dark brown, and I'm filling and shaping my eyebrows. So what I do is I take this pencil and kind of like shade in where my eyebrows are really light, because I like to make my eyebrows a little darker, and then I use the spoolie end to brush it and make it look more natural. So now I'm going to conceal my imperfections using Urban Decay's concealer pencil in the color ATF. I really like to apply concealer around my mouth, especially because I have like a lot of darkness around that area, so I like to brighten it up. And just using my fingers, I make sure to blend it in really well. I like using my fingers because I feel that it does do better than a brush, but that's just my opinion. After that, I'm going to take the concealer and like a concealer brush, and I'm going to clean around my eyebrows just to make them look really fleeky. Now to get that flawless looking complexion, I'm using Laura Mercier's Flawless Fusion Foundation in the color Maple, and I'm running out, so that's why I had to apply it that way. But now I'm using my fingers to blend it in, because I also do like using my fingers for the concealer and foundation. After blending that foundation in really well, I like to add a little bit of MAC Studio Fix. This is the color NC44, and I'm just going to apply this on my face and again blend it in with my fingers. To get that really flawless looking skin, I am gonna go back in this time with Fiona Style Concealer, and using a concealer brush, I'm going to apply some of the concealer above my eyebrow, underneath my eyes because of the dark circles, and then again around my mouth. And of course, make sure to blend that in really well. So after applying these layers of concealer and foundation, the eyebrow sometimes fades into my face, so I do go back in and kind of like fix my eyebrows up. Now for contouring, I'm using MAC's blush in the color Blunt, and using like an angled brush, doing the contours of my cheeks, and then I'm also going like around my forehead and the jawline and blending it. And of course, don't forget to contour your nose to complete the look and just give it this nice like slimmer effect. So now I'm using MAC's Studio Fix powder. This is the NC42, and this is my way of like setting in my foundation. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using BellaTerra's Mineral Bronzer in the color Sensual, and I'm going to apply this right there above like my high cheek zone, and then I'm also going to put this on the tip of my nose and like the tip of my mouth. Now I'm going in with like a eyeliner brush and using CityColor's Mousse in the color White Gold. I'm going to add this line on my like bottom waterline, and this is just gonna make that eye makeup pop. And then right underneath that line that I just did, I'm going to go in with the color WTF again, which is that brown color, and I'm going to line it underneath that line that I just did, and that's gonna make it pop even more. And this is what I like to do with like a lot of my makeup looks. And now don't forget to apply mascara on those bottom lashes. To add colors to my cheeks, I'm going to be using Tarte's Amazonian Clay Blush in the color Party. Last thing, to finish off my eye makeup, I'm using Urban Decay's Glide On Pencil, and this is in the color Alkaline, which is like a purpley, like a deep purple. All right, ladies, all that's left is to do a lippy, and I'm going to be using Urban Decay's Vice lipstick in the color Backtalk, which is like this lightish pink color. And then after applying that all over my lips, I am gonna go over it with their Hi-Fi Gloss lip gloss in the color Backtalk. So it's Backtop on top of Backtalk, but it just looks amazing when you apply the lipstick and then you apply the gloss right over it. Definitely makes those lips pop, and I just absolutely love how this makeup look came out. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. And also you can find the list of makeup that I used in the info box below. Thank you, ladies, so much for watching my videos. Until next time, bye!